to make a marble. Wait a second. How to make marble and mesh. So what you will need: 2 pieces of toilet paper, scissors, tape, and a marble. So what you want to do, you want to take, this is hard to do on one hand, and go turn the fan off. It's blowing with toilet paper everywhere. My gosh. Stay.
Turn it off.
Okay.
Turn it off in a second. And turn off the fan.
You want to fold it. And then after you fold it, you want to take your scissors and how thick you want it to be. I want it like this thick. And cut from the corner, not this side. So now you should have a strip with a cut like that. And so get your tape. Oh shoot. Get your tape. And you're gonna want cut off the axis if there is any axis. And so the tape should look like this, and then fold it, and then do the same with this open side right here. And then if there's any access, cut it off. But there's no access for me, so I'm just gonna seal it. Your tape should look like this. Should look like that. Now it's sealed shut, but leave the hole at the top. So now get your out. Gosh darn it! I need to get something to hold my phone.
I wish I had that phone case.
Shush. So get your marble and put it in the hole. And now just seal seal it up with more tape. And now you have a marble mesh. And if you don't have a marble, just get paper and crumble it up. And make it a tiny little crumple ball. And then you can put it in there. Bye.